Welcome to our colorful jungle adventure. Let's meet some friendly animals. Here's a smiling lion with a golden mane. Look at that tall giraffe reaching for the treetops. Oh, see the playful monkey swinging from branch to branch. And there's a big elephant spraying water with its trunk. Can you spot the rainbow in the clear sky? Listen closely, you might hear the cheerful birds singing. Each animal has a special name floating above its head. This magical jungle is full of vibrant flowers and lush trees. It's a perfect place for little explorers to learn and have fun.